Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for digital flex printing business. So here let's assume that I have a digital flex printing business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send that lead an automated WhatsApp message. So to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm using Vati. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for digital flex printing business. So here let's assume that I have a digital flex printing business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, here you can see now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire integration and automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for digital flex printing business. So here moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my digital flex printing business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application, and the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving to my action window, as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to the lead. So here I'm going to use Vati to send an automated WhatsApp message. So here the action event will be to send template message. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. So now in order to do that, I will go to my trigger window and I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect. So here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the Facebook page by the name of Coles Printing Press. And over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for my page and I'm going to select it. So I'm selecting it. So here after selecting the page, now I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, these two are the lead ads form. So here I want to use this lead ad form that is by the name of printing press form. So this is how the form looks like. So now as the name of this form is printing press form, so here in Pabbly Connect, the lead gen form will be printing press form. So once I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So to do that, I'm going to this new tab and here I'm going to search for Meta for developers. I will go to the page. And in Meta for developers, I will go to my apps. And in my apps, I will go to tools. And under developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and now from this drop down I'm going to search for my page and I'm going to select it. So here this is my page. After selecting my page, now I need to select the form associated with my page, so I'm selecting it. Once I've selected the page and form, I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the lead ad form, and I filled in the details of email, full name and the phone number. So now here I'm going to click on next. Now I'm going to click on submit. It says thanks, you are all set. So your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I have just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I've just received a response. Here is the email, here is the full name, here is the phone number, created date and time along with some other details. That means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead is going to get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I have got the lead details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to this lead. So here to do that, I need to establish a connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the API endpoint and the access token. So this here is the instruction given. Read it carefully because this will help you to get the API endpoint and the access token. Taking you to my Vati account. Here I will go to API docs. And in API docs, this here is the API endpoint. I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste the same in Pabbly Connect. So now for access token, I'm going to copy it from Vati, and here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So here you can see that I've mentioned the API endpoint and the access token. Now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that the connection between Vati and Pabbly Connect is successfully established. So now I need to mention a WhatsApp number. So here to do that, I'm going to use the method of mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So here I'm going to map the phone number. So once I've done that, now moving to template. So here I need to choose a template that is to be sent. So in Vati, I will go to templates, and I've already created a template by the name of Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for it, and this here is a template. So the name of the template is Facebook lead ads, category is marketing, language is English US, broadcast title is welcome message, and this here is the body content. So it goes as, hello, thank you for your response. Our team member is soon going to connect with you and will share exciting offers with you on the given contact details. Thank you. So after hello, this here is a custom parameter. So that means after hello, I want to mention the name of the Facebook lead. So this variable will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to search for the template as Facebook lead ads. Here it is. So now moving to the broadcast name, as it was mentioned in Vati, that was welcome message. So I'm going to write the same over here. Once this is done, moving to the custom parameters. So as I've mentioned that after hello, I want to mention the name of the lead. So I'm going to follow the same format, and as this custom parameter is for name, so here I'm going to mention name, and the value will be the name of the lead. So I'm going to map the name of the lead. So here you can see that I have mapped the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. That means an automated WhatsApp message would have been sent to the test lead which I have just created. So this here is the WhatsApp message. Here is the title as welcome message. After hello, you can see the name of the lead. This here is the body content, and it ends with thank you. So that means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the test lead which I have just created. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead by using Vati. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, Please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.